not retire. Well, in my last video, I was talking briefly about how Social Security is running out. And I know I am far away from Social Security retirement, but it's always in the back of my mind. I have different videos on how to save for retirement. I put save like this because saving money is not the way to get rich. But back to what I was saying. So retirement. So in the news, they were just talking about how Social Security is running out. And it made me think about like, what's gonna happen? What's gonna happen to the people that's on it right now? And what's gonna happen to people who are about to retire, or us? What are we gonna do? And I know I have like a little addiction to matcha, so I need to know how I'm gonna keep that up. I'm joking, but seriously. So I'm gonna get some tips on what I'm doing, and hopefully it can help other people. Now, if you're new to my page, I am a vendor. Where I vend at, it's a lot of older people. I gave them the same tips and they just brushed me off and, you know, whatever. I don't know, maybe because I'm young, telling them what to do in there, but I don't know. But anyway, I feel like my tips are going to be helpful. I did a lot of research, so we're going to jump straight into the video. And the first one is, wait, hold on. If you don't have a high yielding savings account, create one right now. Create it right now, a high yielding savings account. And this is not an ad, I do not get any money from it. But a high yield savings account is for emergency. So you need about 3 to 6 months of savings in that account. So start that down immediately, okay? Immediately. The company I go through, I have a few different high yielding savings accounts. I have a link below if you guys want to check it out. Now, after you get your high yielding savings account, this is it. Let's talk about the real thing, which is a 401k or a traditional or Roth IRA. Now, 401k comes from your job, and I have a video comparing both, and you know how I feel about my job. I don't trust them. So of course, I don't really trust the 401k, but there's nothing I can do. It's like mandatory account 401k. And if you take the money out prematurely, like if I take out the money out now, I will be penalized. So keep that back in mind. And I am actually debating whether I should take that out and just do what I can with my money, because I feel like I can be more responsible. So anyway, so traditional Roth IRA. I have one. My brokerage is Fidelity, and right now I love them. Right now I do. Like I don't have any problems with them. So I have a traditional Roth IRA, but with that money I buy stocks. So that's how you get rich. I learned that from a lot of podcasters and other people that I follow who's always big on stocks. That's how I learned. And my rule of thumb when you buy in stocks is to pick stocks that you feel is going to be there within like 30 years. So do that information as you may. I know a lot of people say that's not a good reason to do it, but investing something, okay? Because we need to have something to fall on just in case. Well, we already know Social Security is going to end. So I'm like, what are we gonna do? Because who wants to work until like they're 70 or plus? Okay, anyway. So like I said, so buy stocks. And I buy stocks once a month. I have a reoccurring thing. You can set up reoccurring, so you don't really think about it. I just pick one of my favorite ones, and I just put money into that every month. Now, my last tip. Well, I'm gonna say this is second to last. Okay, so the next tip is to go to school. Go to school. If you dropped out, get back in there. I'm a college grad. I am my doctoral program here at USC. I am very vocal of that, and also my channel. I'll talk about that too. So, and also vlogs. Make sure to subscribe. So, if you're debating about going to school, picking up a trade, go to school. Get a BA master or NA masters. When I say and, because a BA is like, what can you really do with a BA? Get you a master's or go to law school. That's my tip. So boom, I'm at school right now too, so there's a lot of people staring at me. But anyway, so go back to school. Oh, okay, this is it. I'm sorry. See, this is my new list too. I need to hurry up. I need to generate more money and save money at the same time. I know it's probably contradicting, but we need to do something, right? And then I'm gonna add social media. Now, social media is very unpredictable, but it can help out. It can help out. As in, it takes a minute, but you never know, you might go viral and that money can come in handy. And now my final and last tip, start a business. I actually have tutorials on how to start a business, how to pick it, and all that good stuff. Yeah, that is a quick video on how can we be able to retire or save for that day.